Today, I'm going to take you through the steps for how to save a made board to your computer. So we are going to start by going into our Symbolstix Prime, navigating up to the 3 lines in the upper left-hand corner, and going down to My Boards. In a previous video, I mentioned that My Boards is the location where all boards that have been created under your login are stored. So once you're in here, you'll need to locate the board that you would like to save. I'm going to select Book 1. This is a board I made previously. I'm going to select anywhere in this box, and I'm going to go up to the pencil and the square symbol for edit, and I'm going to click on this. Once the page is loaded, you'll notice the print symbol in the corner. I'm going to click on this symbol. Right here, destination, I have save as a PDF. I'm going to hit save. And I'm going to choose to save it on my desktop. Obviously, you can choose to save this wherever it will work best for you, but I like to save it to my desktop so that I can locate that. I'm going to minimize my screen. So it's right here in the corner. So now I'm going to open my screen back up. I've already opened my Google Docs, and I've already opened the folder Materials where I'd like to save this. All I'm going to do is select this out here on my screen, drag it, and drop it into my documents. As you can see, based on this indicator on the bottom, it was uploading, and now it's been uploaded into my docs. I find it right here. That's how you can save a document onto your computer or into a drive from Symbolstix.